friends, welcome back to Cooking with Candace. Today we are tackling the ultimate comfort food and a massive takeout favorite, vegetable fried rice. This recipe is packed with fresh, crunchy veggies and scrambled egg for that perfect fluffy texture and a great boost of protein. It's super easy to throw together on a busy weeknight and perfectly hits that takeout craving right at home. Let's get into it. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 to 3 eggs, 2 medium carrots peeled and diced, 1 small white onion diced, half a cup of frozen green peas, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste, 4 cups of cooked and chilled white rice, 3 spring onions thinly sliced, 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, and we're using low sodium, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. All right, now I'm going to crack my eggs and whisk them. You can not add eggs, you can add 2 to 3. It really depends on what you like, but I like to add extra egg to mine. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and whisk them. And now we are ready to scramble these. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is scramble our eggs. I'm gonna turn the heat on to like medium, and I'm gonna melt just a little bit of butter. So we'll wait for that to melt down. All right, now that our butter's melted, I'm gonna add the eggs. Just wait for them to scramble up. We're gonna break them apart a bit as they go. And I always like to use butter because it gives a really rich flavor to the eggs. Just about done here. You don't want them like completely hammered. All right, now I'm gonna set these on a plate and set this aside. Okay, so now I'm gonna start my base for the fried rice. So we're gonna get our wok style pan and turn the heat on to medium high. I'm gonna add some of this butter, or most of it, and wait for this to melt down. Okay, now I'm gonna add my garlic, my minced garlic. Let this cook for like 30 seconds to a minute until I can smell the garlic smell. All right, now I'm gonna add my onion. Let this saute a little bit. And at this time, I'm also gonna add my carrot because carrots take a long time to cook. Take longer than the other. So we're just gonna cook this down until we feel like the carrots are cooked through. And you don't want the carrots overcooked. I still like to have a little bit of bite to it. You just don't want it completely like uncooked. Okay, now that my carrots and onions have been cooked down a bit, I'm gonna add my peas. Then I'm gonna scooch everything over to the side and add a little bit more butter. And then we're gonna add our rice. And it's very important, the rice needs to be cold, and it usually works well if it's like been in the fridge a day or 2. It just tastes better because fried rice you can't fry with freshly cooked rice. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my rice and start to mix. Then we're gonna add our soy sauce, or our tamari. I'm using tamari. And then I'm gonna add my oyster sauce and start to mix everything together. Looking beautiful. We have to taste it as we go. So after this is fairly nice, I'm going to taste it. And I'm also going to add some pepper. Okay, now I'm going to taste it and see how it's going. I think it tastes perfect. So now just turn off the heat. You're gonna add toasted sesame oil. You just need a little bit. Mix that around. And then now I'm gonna add my spring onion. And I'm using the green and the white part. And then we're gonna add our scrambled eggs in, and she'll be ready to enjoy. All right, it's looking beautiful. And now she's ready. All right, time for the best part, the taste test. delicious. So good. This veggie and egg fried rice hits the spot every single time. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and cooking with me today. If you want the exact measurements, they are down in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new uploads every Tuesday and Thursday. Connect with me on Facebook or Instagram if you make this, and have an awesome rest of your week. Bye.